In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to automate support ticket routing without coding. Whether you're handling dozens or hundreds of tickets, automating the process can save you time and ensure tickets are routed to the right person every time. I've tested a ton of the most popular software for this, and today I'll show you a tool that is easy to use and requires zero coding skills. So, how do you do it? First, let's talk about the power of workflows. Most ticketing systems, including the software we'll be using today, allow you to set up workflows that define exactly how incoming tickets are routed based on criteria you choose. This is the magic behind automation. It routes the ticket to the right agent or department automatically. But how do you set it up? First, create a new workflow in the software. In the settings, you'll typically find options to define ticket triggers. These triggers can include things like ticket subject, keywords, or even the customer's urgency level. Once you set up your trigger criteria, you can specify which team or individual will receive the ticket. For example, if a ticket contains the word billing, it could automatically be routed to your finance team. If it's a technical issue, it can be sent straight to your support team. All of this happens automatically, so your agents don't have to waste time sorting through tickets manually. It's seamless, and the best part, no coding involved. Next, let's talk about conditions. Most of the tools you'll be using allow you to apply conditions to the tickets. This means you can further customize the routing process. For instance, if the ticket is marked as urgent, you might want it to go to the highest available support tier, or if it's from a VIP client, it might be routed to a specific account manager. Once your workflow is set up with these conditions, you can move on to testing it. It's important to test your new routing setup to ensure it's functioning the way you want it to. Try creating a few test tickets with different conditions to make sure they are being routed correctly. Most software has a test or preview mode that lets you simulate ticket creation without affecting your live system. This process might sound complicated, but it's actually super straightforward, and you can complete it in just a few minutes with no coding. Plus, this kind of automation helps streamline your workflow, improve response times, and make sure no tickets slip through the cracks. The best part is, I've worked with the software we're using today extensively, and I found it to be the easiest for setting up automation like this. And if you're interested in trying it yourself, I've linked to a free trial exclusively for viewers of my channel. Check the description below for the link. Now, before we wrap up, the key takeaway from today's video is automating support ticket routing without coding is all about setting up smart workflows and conditions. By using the right software, you can ensure that your team spends less time managing tickets manually and more time solving problems for your customers. To quickly recap, first, create a workflow. Then, set your triggers and conditions for automatic routing. Test everything and you're good to go. Don't forget to take advantage of the free trial link in the description if you want to try it yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.